Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Wetaskiwin local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to relocate, hire the best cheap Wetaskiwin moving company, 3 Movers. We offer plenty of options to make your local move or your long-distance move easier. Our team knows how to make sure you get the right team for the job. With us, you can move your entire home, business, or even just some furniture or equipment. Getting the right long-distance movers will help make sure you can relocate with ease. We offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Our team of movers will make sure you get the type of relocation you need. We offer full long-distance moving services to help you with all your specific needs. Let us make sure you get moved without all the worry. Getting a Canada moving company to help you with your local move is important. If you try to take it on without local movers, you'll find it overwhelming rather fast. Moving is a ton of work and can wear you out fast. 3 Movers offers plenty of help for your local move. We know how to make sure you get the best move possible, no matter how far you need to go. Our team will save you time and energy during your move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wetaskiwin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.